milk.
Chocolate milk.
Milk.
Does it taste good? It comes out of the straw. Does the milk taste good? You gotta leave it in the milk. Put it down. Bubbles. Hey. Is that good chocolate milk? Luke. Luke. It does come out of the straw. Whose chocolate milk is that?
Mama.
Do you love Mommy? Hey. Hey. Do you love Mommy?
Yes, I love Mama.
Why? It does come out of the straw. Bubbles.
I can pop.
Yeah?
Pop.
No, you just drink the milk. Who do you love?
Mama.
Kiss the camera. Mwah.